Well, welcome back to Steve's Garage. We're back here working on our restoration of this old 99 Yamaha. It's a 1100 custom and sitting for about 6 or 7 years in the desert, and we've got it back running and ready to road test. So give me a minute here and we'll roll it out of the garage and give it a whirl, see how it does on the road. You ready for that, Baxter? Let's go. Hey, buddy. Here we go. Okay, here we go for our first road test. Let's see how things go. So on, ignition on, fuel is on, choke is on. There we go. That's good. So that was our first road test, and she ran good, ran smooth, and pulled strong, and everything sounded good except we have a little backfire on the deceleration, which most likely is caused by this AIS system here, which is an air induction system that Yamaha put on. I think they started putting them on back in the 70s or 80s. Theoretically, it was to satisfy the EPA on air pollution. In reality, I don't think it did very much, but it does tend to create a backfire from injecting air into the exhaust chamber. So we'll have to see what we can do about fixing that. But otherwise, she's looking pretty good. Still have to work on the windscreen and find some saddlebags that'll work on this thing. So stay tuned. We'll see what else we can come up with here.